Hey everyone, welcome to your YouTube channel Discipline to Wealth. If you are new here, I am your Utkarsh and we will focus on building habits that will lead to success, that will help you to become high value individual. Today we are diving into the topic how to quit bad habits, whether it's smoking, procrastination, like unhealthy eating. We all have some bad habits we wish we could break. So now we can discuss 5 proven steps that will help you to replace those good habits with positive ones. Before we jump into the topic, let's first understand how habit works. Habits are routines or behaviors that tend to occur without we need subconsciously. They are formed through a loop with the like cue, routines and behavior. Understanding this loop is very crucial for us. That will help us to understand which part of the loop is we want to change. The first step is to identify your bad habits. Like if you instead of saying I want to become healthier, exactly pinpoint the habit. Like I want to quit smoking. Write it down and describe why you want to quit this habit. Understanding your motivation will give you the push to help you in your tough situations. Now the second step is to understand your triggers. Remember the cue we talked about before? This is what prompts your habit. It could be a specific time, day, or even a location or a person. Let us understand with an example. Like if you eat junk food when you are stressed, then the stress is your cue that triggers you to eat junk food. You can work on managing or avoiding them. Now the third step is to replace your bad habits with positive ones. Instead of just trying to eliminate the bad habits, try to replace them with a healthier and productive behaviors or habits. For example, like if you want to quit smoking, then replace it with eating like chewing gums. These substitutions keep your mind busy and engaged. Now the step 4 is to set realistic goals. Quitting a bad habit overnight is quite different or quite difficult and can lead to disappointment. Break down the process into manageable steps. For example, if you want to stop nail biting, then do it for like 1 day without biting, then 2 and so on. Celebrate your small victories, like if you completed 1 day, then you can celebrate little and so on. The final step is to track your progress. Keeping an app or journal or writing to track your progress is the very effective method to be consistent and can be incredibly helpful. Write down your problems and triggers and how you responded and the progress you made. This reflections allows you to see how far you have come and understand your strategy if needed. Here are some tips to be encouraged, so listen carefully. Now the first is seek support. Surround yourself with people who support you in every situation. And the second is practice patience. Everything needs time, so don't be very fast. Just complete the process with consistency. Stay positive. Focus on what you are gaining, not what you are losing. Remember, quitting a bad habit is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate each step forward and don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. That's it for today. I hope these steps will help you to for quitting your bad habits and building a better you. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and comment below what is your bad habits you want to quit. Share it with someone who might be want to watch this video. Let's support each other on this journey. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.